Frame has landed. Lonestar Lowe's compound. About to get this body on it. We got on the skates. We're just gonna turn it around, lay it down. I need to cut the holes for the cylinders. All my hard work about to get covered up. All right, we are on. We're on the body.
I'm off for 3 days, so I need more fuel than usual today.
So we got plenty of clearance on the engine from the firewall. And we have plenty of clearance on the tunnel. Everything went well, minus the back body mount. We had to ream that one a little bit. This one right here, we had to ream the hole on the frame a little bit. I didn't make the hole big enough when I put the plate over it. So we just had to ream it out a little bit to make it match the original hole on the frame.
Bobby likes that word.
Ream?
Yes.
Outside of that, we're good. Man, excited.
This thing is a work of art, man.
Yeah?
I mean, look at that.
Man, I love, man, the colors.
Got them hangers in the back there, right there. Got the hangers.
Them hangers, tell them what the hangers are, man.
Hangers, man. Yeah, man.
Golly.
I'd gone black spokes, I'm just saying.
Well, I'm gonna buy another set of wheels.
Oh, okay, what?
Some True Rays. Yeah. With the black inserts. Maybe black spokes? No black spokes? Bobby says no. All chrome, Bobby?
Yep. Man, so how do you feel, man? All those hours in the frame.
Man, I feel great. I did see some runs on the bottom of the frame that I need to sand out that I hadn't noticed. But once I get it high enough, I'll get down there and sand them out. That's no big deal. So this rear end is not narrowed. Again, I'm gonna tell you guys, you don't have to narrow a rear end between 58 and 60. So this is a reverse wheel, and look how much room there still is without it being narrowed. There's plenty of room on both sides. So you don't have to narrow your rear end for this type of car, because the fenders are so wide, they come out, versus the 61 through 64, they go in. So that's why you have to narrow those. And then you put the skirt outside of the quarter panel. So you have like a foot by the time you put the skirt on. Did I bring them? No. I'm getting a naked girl airbrush on them. Whoo-wee. Man, you know, I was thinking about this all night, Kenny.
You got more than me.
The clearance.
It seems like you have more room. I know mine is, well, maybe because of the cover or the valve cover, but mine is real close right here.
Yeah.
But I mean, you could have.
Man, I'm gonna leave it just like that. I'm not moving that. Yeah, that's plenty. That's perfect. So when I hop it, when I hit them 50 inches, I won't be hitting the firewall. Man, I'm so excited, man. Yeah, all the hours on the frame, all my hard work is covered until I put some mirrors under this sucker.
Well, you know what? You might have to push it back a little bit.
Push what back?
Yeah. No?
The engine?
You already mounted it like that? I mean,
Yeah, no, it's in. It's good. It's good. That's how the Rocket was.
Okay.
Yeah, it was just like that. So I got plenty of room for the wire harness.
I said earlier that ain't no Tijuana chrome. Nope. It's good job, no yellow.
Good. The Houston guys will know what that means, right? If they go to Fidel.
Good job, no yellow.
Man. I'm really digging the sway bar. It's got the same shape of the wings. And then once I mount the plaque, which is right up there, it's got the same shape of the wings also. So that'll be right there in the middle. So it'll all match. Yeah, buddy. All right, well, we still got some work to do, so we'll bring y'all back.
Slap these doors on, man, and
Yes.
load it up. It's 11. I think we'll take about an hour to do that.
Yeah, in the trunk.
Oh, in the trunk. Trunk take 10 minutes.
Yeah. All right, bring y'all back.
Oh, God.
Well, we got one door on. It's about to move a little bit, and then we'll get the second one on. All right, let's move on to this one.
You were the reason we're here. This is an intervention. I didn't think this through. You rolled it up there all by yourself?
Huh?
You rolled it up there all by yourself?
Girl, I can open this thing by myself. You know what I'm saying? I ain't helping to push. I just came to show.
To support the cause.
Moral support. I'll hold your drink while you push.
Well,
What are this?
Got the wind hooked up, so it's not
He
running back.
said, it should get out. I said, check the driveway. You got one. I said, who?
Four people. Johnny, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost.
That sounds about right. How many amigos does it take?
Alright. Got the door.
At least it's nice today. And it's not too hot yet.
Push it back and let it down with the winch. Once it gets down, unhook it and push it back more. And then pull the trailer around. Yeah, I'd rather get the trailer out. Yeah.
Watch the edges over there.
Are you gonna rip it?
Yeah.
Are you gonna turn the wheel from that side? Or can we open up this door? Nah, okay, it should just go straight back.
Yeah, we'll just watch the.
All my angles.
Is stop or go? Stop or go?
That wasn't too bad.
Mm-mm.
You can't record the next part, okay?
The huffing and puffing.
Yeah, the vomiting. I mean, I guess just add that.
We need a winch this way.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
¿Te doy esto? So I can help.
Turn the wheel.
Uh, y'all gotta go down. Turn the wheel. Oh. Where's the wheel stoppers?
We're good. Good. Not gonna hit the chair? No.
Hold it.
Hold it. Hold on. You want them in the back or in the front? The back or in the front?
Just right here.
It's good now. It won't go anywhere.
So if anybody needs to move body frame, we do birthdays, weddings, bar mitzvahs. Anything y'all need moved.
Done for the day?
And that was too easy.
Yeah, that, y'all made it look
I don't know
easy.
why I lost sleep.
Make it fit.
It fits good.
It does. Está bien. Where did he go?
To the tree.
They're coming back for more.
How many amigos does it take?
222 1-800-222. Get it done, crew.